Meaning of disassemble.
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 Disassemble. The word disassemble refers to the act of taking apart a complex object or structure into its component parts or pieces, often for the purpose of repair, maintenance, or analysis. The end result of disassembly is a collection of individual pieces or parts that were previously assembled together to form a larger whole. These pieces may be used in various ways after disassembly, such as replacing broken or worn components, cleaning or inspecting individual parts, or recycling materials for other purposes.